So I'm taking off the rototiller blades. A few of them have been broken off or worn down. And I'm going to try to see if I can find a reference on here so I can replace them. I got 3 going in one direction and 2 going in the other direction. So here I can see a reference. This one here is a T210R. This one here is T208L, so for the left. So while it's raining outside, I'm going to have a look and change some of these blades on the rotavator. So a few of them are worn out, and even one's missing here. And I was able to find some not exactly the same shape. And I have left and right. So it looks like they have a pattern. We have like 4 going left and then the next 4 going right. So we'll see what we can do there. So here you can see the two different blades. This one really worn out, and new black one. Not exactly the same dimensions, but pretty close. So the bolt actually is a little bit too big for the hole, so I'm going to have to drill it out. Not a good sign. Well, that's hardened steel, so that's not going to work, drilling that out. So plan B, slightly smaller bolt, see if that works. So to get it centered with the right width, I soldered some 5mm screws to each side, or bolts to each side. Let's see if that's going to work. So getting ready for the next weld, I ground off to have some good electric contact. Same here on the end. All right, let's see how that fits. Looks pretty good. Won't touch here. I think we're good to go. So the other 3 blades I replaced. You can see the spacers in there. And I'll weld it in. So I'll be able to give it a try.